Ready to unlock the future of video creation? Let's dive into how you can get your hands on Google Veo 3. First things first, access to Google's cutting-edge AI is usually rolled out in phases, so the most straightforward way is to keep a close eye on Google's official announcements. Search Google Veo 3 regularly and follow Google's AI-related blogs and social media accounts. Next, explore Google AI's website. This is your primary source for understanding the current access policies and any open application programs. Look for sections about early access, research partnerships, or beta testing opportunities. If you find an application process, meticulously complete all the required fields. Be prepared to share details about your video creation experience, your intended use of Veo 3, and any specific projects you have in mind. The more detail, the better. Keep an eye on your inbox. Google will typically notify applicants via email about their application status. Make sure to check your spam or junk folders just in case. Be patient. Access to groundbreaking technology like Veo 3 often comes with waiting lists. While you wait, continue to hone your video creation skills and explore other AI-powered tools that might be available. This will only strengthen your application later. And that's it. By staying informed, proactively applying, and showcasing your potential, you'll significantly increase your chances of gaining access to Google Veo 3. Good luck, and happy creating!